Hello, my name is Evan Pirana with Applied Cloud Systems, and today we're going to take a look into the world of IoT, or Internet of Things. Over the course of this video, we'll provide a high-level overview on what IoT is and how it can be applied in a real-world scenario to add value to an organization. So, what is IoT, or Internet of Things? It's a buzzword used around the world as orgs are undergoing digital transformations of their business models, and it's something that applies across a broad spectrum of industries. At a high level, IoT is leveraging network connectivity between physical devices to streamline how data is collected, exchanged, and consumed. So, how can IoT be a value driver for your organization? To help answer that, we're going to take those abstract concepts behind IoT and apply them to a real world scenario using manufacturing as an example. As mentioned, IoT can be beneficial to a wide array of industries, but we're going to take a quick look at manufacturing as an example. Many organizations have sensors and devices in the field that generate a significant volume of data at a high velocity, but are not using that data effectively to add value to the organization. IoT enables organizations to make their trove of data actionable, positioning an organization to make informed decisions more quickly, driving down costs and increasing revenue. For example, using IoT in manufacturing, we can configure temperature threshold alerts to contact support personnel for maintenance when a piece of manufacturing equipment exceeds a specified temperature. We can then leverage this data to drive machine learning and predictive analysis to implement preventative maintenance plans to minimize downtime and increase throughput. As you can see, making your data actionable in near real time using IoT can have a dramatic impact on your organization, whether it be improving an organization's manufacturing process or whatever the needs of your industry may be. Now that we've provided a brief overview of what IoT is and how it can be applied within a manufacturing organization, we want to dive into a real-world scenario using a Wi-Fi enabled sensor in the field. In this example, it's extremely important that the environment in which we're producing our product is kept above 20 degrees Celsius. We've configured a series of alerts that will be used to contact support personnel via SMS message should the temperature fall below an acceptable level. From the SMS message, support personnel will be able to quickly create a support ticket within our Dynamics 365 environment so that the temperature issue can be tracked and resolved quickly. Here we are within the Measurements tab within Azure IoT Central, where we've been monitoring room temp with our sensor in the field, currently around 24 to 25 degrees Celsius. We're going to go ahead and apply this cold pack to the temperature setting to drastically modify the temperature readings in the room. It is critical for our business that this manufacturing room stay above 20 degrees Celsius. To help monitor that, we've enabled a number of rules that are extremely valuable to us. First, we've enabled an SMS message that will be triggered and sent to a technician should the temperature drop below 20 degrees Celsius. From that message, the technician will have the ability to respond and create a ticket within Dynamics 365. From there, the help desk will be able to track and monitor that ticket to ensure corrective action is taken in the field. As you can see, the temperature is dropping drastically. We are now at 21 degrees Celsius, and soon we should receive an SMS message when that drops beneath the threshold. And as you can see, we've now dipped below the 20 degrees Celsius threshold at 16.7 degrees Celsius. And on your screen, you'll see the SMS message that we just received. We're going to go ahead and respond to that message now with a capital C and capital T to create ticket. And we've received confirmation that the Dynamics 365 ticket has been created. We're going to go ahead and toggle over to Dynamics 365 very quickly here to our active cases. We're going to refresh our list. And you can see we now have a high priority ticket logged for this sensor in the field. Now, our help desk team can ensure corrective action is taken to correct the temperature issue in the field. Now that you've seen a real sensor transmitting data in near real time to the Azure IoT Central web app, we want to show you how we can drastically improve the impact that data can have on your organization. Using Power BI, we can create custom dashboards that transforms the way your raw data is consumed by your stakeholders using easy-to-read custom visualizations. For example, we've created a dashboard that reflects the temperature data that was just collected in the previous segment. In this dashboard, it's very easy for us to analyze the data that was collected from our sensor in the field, whether it be average temperature, change in temperature over time, or the individual readings with a date and timestamp. Ultimately, having large volumes of data is great, but it's what you do with that data that is most valuable. Using IoT to make that data actionable, paired with a business intelligence tool to improve how your organization analyzes that data, is a game changer in a data-driven world. I would like to thank you all for joining us today for our overview and demonstration of IoT. Hopefully it has provided some clarity into what IoT is and how it can be a value driver for your organizations. I also want to give a special thank you to Paul Sarkness, one of our senior cloud engineers who configured the demonstration we showed you all today. Just a little bit of information about us. We are Applied Cloud Systems, or ACS. We're headquartered in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We are a Microsoft Managed Gold partner with deep expertise in Microsoft's cloud platforms. Some of our services include Azure Infrastructure and Platform Services, Office 365, Dynamics 365, Power BI, data warehousing, and custom app development, to name a few. For more details on our services and expertise, please visit our website at www.appliedcloudsystems.com. We've also provided a link to our site within the description of the video down below. Our mission here is simple: to help our clients embrace the vast capabilities that the cloud has to offer. To inquire about how we can help you and your organization embark on a digital transformation journey, please call us at 1-855-21-CLOUD or email us at sales@appliedcloudsystems.com. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.